So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Godrej Inverter AC and the remote of that AC looks something like this, and the remote of your AC is not working properly or the remote is damaged and you need to use your AC from your mobile in an emergency, then today I am going to tell you how you can easily use the AC from your mobile. So let's start the video. Before using the AC from your mobile, keep in mind that if you have a Mi, Xiaomi, Redmi phone or your phone has an IR blaster, only then you can use the AC from your mobile, that too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC anytime offline. First, open the Play Store on your mobile. Now search for Okresta Remote Control in the Play Store. Now install Okresta Remote Control. Now Okresta Remote Control is installed. Now go inside this app. Now agree to all the terms and conditions of the Okresta Remote Control. Go to the three-dot line on your mobile screen and tap Add Control. Turn on the AC from the main switch and use it from your mobile in the same way you use the AC remote. Then the main page of the Okresta Remote Control app will open. On the main page, go to the AC symbol. And now find Godrej. Now go to Godrej. Now use the mobile in the same way you use the AC remote. And now you can see on the mobile screen, match remote codes 1 to 19. Now you can see the power button on the mobile. Now press this power button. If your AC beeps when you press the power button, then tap use full. And if your AC isn't beeping, you need to useless it. After that, a second remote will appear. If your AC isn't connecting, disconnect it and continue this process. And keep disconnecting it until your AC no longer beeps. Now my AC is beeping 7 times, so I'll tap use full. Then tap temp plus, and tap use full. Then tap temp minus, and tap use full. Then tap mode, and tap use full. After that, your AC's remote will be fully set. With the remote, you can easily access almost all functions, even offline. Before making this video, I tried it practically on my AC. I am uploading this video only after it was successful, so trust me, it will definitely work. I hope you understood the information I provided. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.